Hello, welcome to a new episode of Edit From. Today I'll be unboxing the Square-1. So this is a Square-1 that a professional uses. Pretty sure this was used to set the world record, and this is set up exactly how the cube was used to set the world record, and that's why it's in a bag instead of a little case, you know? So yeah, let's start. Come on. Oh my god! Whoever made this really didn't want this to get damaged. Ow! Pack this. Seriously, it broke this pencil I was using. So hopefully this Square-1 is great. It has black on the other side. Let's break this in. Oh my god. That feels a little slow. But that does feel nice. Oh my god, that is so nice. This is really nice. Let's see if I can do a J-perm. J-perm for J-perm. See if I can do it quickly. What about, let's say, yeah, so this cube is really nice. Now see what we have in the accessories box. We have a nice stand. You can't see the stand, but you can see the cube, sorry. Now see what's in this. Seriously. Oh, that's what that is. That makes sense. So if you don't know what this is, I guess I can tell you, because why not? So see, a Square-1 is really nice, and it's actually really nice. It's not the hard events once you learn how to solve it, but white and yellow are pretty similar. They're both really like colors. So that's why some professionals replace yellow with black. And that's exactly what they did here. So yeah, that's why there are all these caps, which we won't need. So I'm never gonna do that. And then I'm expecting this is a screw. That would be nice. Anyways, now this cube, I'm guessing, has lube because it's a little slow. And it will need some breaking in, which is no problem. Actually, yes, it is. I hate Square-1. I never practiced it. But Square-1 is not that bad of an event. So, yeah. This is a nice Square-1 in general. So, I don't have my stack mat with me. Oh my god. I have to solve this anyway. And I'm planning to do a solve. And now I have to solve it anyways because I scrambled it up by accident. Okay. Hopefully, this can be a good time. My PB is 46 seconds. Which is sad. Really? No, I think it's 48 or 46. Which is sad. But I don't really care too much. And here it says Derby Cuber P. No, Derpy Cuber P. That's what it says. Okay, come on. Let's see. So that side's turnable and that side's turnable. Okay. And oh my god, I want them out. I use car. Okay. 3, 2, go. So I started at 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Oh my god. This Square-1 is great. Sorry, no, done. So 3:30, let's say 4. So it's 5:34. So 5:34. Okay. So more than 1 minute. Okay, so let's say it's less than 2 minutes. So 34, 50 minus, okay, 16. So 16. So around 2 minutes. Not that bad, I guess. Now, so what do I have to say about the Square-1? It has great potential, and any Square-1 developer can use this, although it does need some breaking in, which is no problem. But if you like, I mean, it is a problem for me because I don't like Square-1. So yeah, if you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.